In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So at first you need to open some area where you can just input the text, for example messages, and as you can see currently we are set up with English, so we can smoothly write with English letters and English. To change it, click on settings icon, select languages and types, and now click on manage input languages. So here you can pick it, you can change it, and for example if you'd like to use Sinhala, just mark it, then unmark English, and let's go back. If you tap here again, okay, so there's no options, but if you have some languages that can have different keyboard layout, it will be possible to change it right here. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.